lovelies, welcome again on the channel. It's your girl Mutumario the dressmaker, and in this video I'll share with you how I made this fishnet or basket effect on this dress, that is like the waist area. Okay, let's get into it. For this effect you actually need a mesh or a net or a tool, anything that looks like that. And here I have mine. I already cut it into 2 inches in width and I have it very long. It just depends on where you intend to place it. So if you intend to use it on maybe a short area, you can just cut a dimension or a measurement that will be enough for what you need. Now I started by arranging the strip I have from my left hand, just like you see, with 1 inch spacing. I have 1 inch in between what I'm placing. If I place one, then I place the next one 1 inch to it. So you have to like fold. Did you see what I'm doing? Just fold your tool like that, then you place it 1 inch towards the next one. Okay, so you secure that down with a pin. Then you just have to place it all through like that, from the left to the right, until you feel. I did that until I feel the entire area. This area where I am working with. Okay, so now that this is done, I have placed this all through. The next thing is for me to start making the fishnet effect, and I'm going to start with one area. All right, and here's what I will be doing. Just take a close look at it. I've secured it slightly with thread and needle. Then I'm going to pick it like this. Pick the 2 center strip, the 2 center tool. So assuming you are working on a sleeve area, whichever tool falls on the center of the area of the fabric you are working with, just pick the tool that is at the center. That way it will be easy for you to quickly make your fishnet or your basket effect, and it's going to come out at the center. I don't know how to really express this thing in words. I just want you to look at it closely and I'm sure you really understand. So pick the 2 center, then you pick it like that, the next 2. Then just take a look at what I'm doing. At the extreme where you started from, there may be nothing to pick with it. Just pin it down like that, then pick the next 2 just like this. I'm sure you would really get this by just watching. I'm just going to keep quiet right now so that you can see what I'm doing, then you can have a good understanding of it. Okay. So like I said, when you get to the extreme where there is no other one that you need to join it with, just spin it down that way. Then you pick the next one, then it forms that sort of diamond shape which you see like that. So I'm just going to keep doing this like this. You can see that we are already having the fishnet effect. It's beginning to form, it's beginning to come out. And I'm just securing it with pins for now. Later on I'll go ahead to start tacking it with needle and thread. I just want to show you guys how to begin. Here it is, and we are already having our fishnet effect. I'm just going to keep doing this. I'll pick it like that and then I'll keep doing it, and until we get to the end, guys. This process is time consuming. You just have to be patient with the process so that you can get a good result. Here, this is how far I have come. Look at how pretty it's all looking already, and this time I have started securing it with my needle and thread because I felt going in with pins first would take my time, so I just had to do it with needle and thread straight up so that I can save some time right there. Okay, so like I said, I still need to keep quiet so that you guys can see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, and I'm just going to keep doing this until we get to the end of the entire area we are working on. Okay. Alright guys, so if you are just seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Muturayo. I upload sewing DIYs, fashion tips every now and then, once every week. I also go live once every week, so if you're a subscriber or if you're just new, you can check on the live portion of this channel. You're going to see so many fashion tips right there. I go live once every week. Do well to check it up and learn a thing or two. Oh guys, look at how beautiful this looks. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I think this is a good time to do so. Hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. Hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up so that it reaches more people. Give this video a thumbs up. As a matter of fact, pause right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you to all returning subscribers. Thank you to all new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you here, and this is Muturayo the dressmaker. We do everything: sewing tutorial, fashion tips, sewing vlogs, and like I said guys, this dress was what I used for my birthday, so you can do well to check out the birthday vlog. Okay, I hope I'm not talking too much. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing at the same time that you're listening. Okay, so please, I don't want you to lose focus at all, so just keep watching. We are gone really far, and like, you guys just take a look at this. Look at how beautiful this looks, and I'm just going to keep doing this until I finish up the entire area where I want this effect to be on. Now I'm done with the entire corset area. This is just so satisfying to watch. It's really beautiful. You can just go ahead to cut out all the excesses around. Then I had my bra cups. Guys, don't worry, the sewing tutorial of my birthday dress is going to be dropping really soon. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. And for this part, I just went ahead to add some stones, some rivets, some beads and all of that to beautify it. Thanks for watching this video guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.